Hey guys, welcome to Lognuts. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Google Play Store account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Google Play Store account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome over here guys. Now in order to log into your Google Play Store, you need to know a thing. That's the same thing as you're logging into your Google account. So in order to log into your Google account, on your Google Play Store, first open up your preferred browser. I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address, or just type in Google Play Store and hit on enter. And on the first search result, you can see there is the Google Play, which is the Play Store of Google. Now in order to log in, click on that and this kind of interface will appear of the Google Play Store. And now in order to log into your account on your PC, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the person or the profile icon over here guys. Or if you've already logged into your Google account on your computer, your account will be available over there. But in order to log into your account, precisely click over there and you can see there is the sign in with Google option available for us. Click on that, and over here you will be required to enter your email or your email address or your phone number over here with which you want to sign into your Google Play Store. And after that, click on next, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password over here guys. And after that, click on next like this guys. I'll just go with it and click on next guys. Under the next step, you'll log into your Google Play Store account online on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Google Play Store account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.